She's Elise.
Okay, hold on.
She's sleeping, vlog.
I was gonna say something crazy.
Good morning, vlog.
Mommy,
Good morning. We're going to the museum for Vicky's birthday.
Our new balance.
What the heck? Same. Little twinsies. Hi, Victory. What the? Stand next to each other.
No, I really love those.
Stand next to each other. Ooh.
I will always match Joyce. Mom hates it. Mom says we look crazy every time we wear the same outfit. She's like, parang twins na may matching, ang tanda na.
Alright. Tita, show me your bag.
Oh my gosh.
Cute.
Huwag na yung mukha.
You're done? Come on, Victory! Leaving the stroller is crazy. Just left the stroller. Just kidding. Oh, that's crazy.
But look, cute little kitty though.
Something's literally getting killed.
The kitty next to it was cute. It was like a little kitty cat.
That's crazy. Please, wow. Creators, vloggers.
Look at my baby.
You're looking.
Hey, that looks like you. She loves so much.
Okay, ready to
Vicky.
wait. Oh, she's so bad. What kind of
No, actually, we're focusing.
She was melting.
I said drowning,
Oh, she was drowning.
but I guess you can't really drown in this. You could bump your head.
No, that's crazy.
Don't worry.
It's coming.
Yeah, we get to get to the in 3 minutes.
Oh, we need to go.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, Victory, go.
To the largest dinosaurs.
Can we do a walk through there?
Victory! Dinosaurs.
The dinosaurs went like this.
That's just a regular step, I think.
Oh, because you know the foot.
I think that's a regular step.
Oh, they
Largest dinosaurs in the world.
Bakit mo lang photography?
No flash.
Bakit hindi pwede? No photo.
No flash photography. So Joyce doesn't want to take pictures.
Do you see that?
Dinosaurs.
If I was JP's height, I would be a menace. Because I would have tried to touch that.
You would have tried that?
Yeah, if I could touch it, I would have.
This bone is as big as Joyce, maybe. Wait, Joyce, I was talking about this bone. That's crazy.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Wow.
Ah, that's not bad.
What the heck?
I'm going like that.
I was like, where's she
I'm gonna
going?
go like this.
Joyce, oh. Put this somewhere.
Wait, it tells you where it goes, I think.
I don't think
That one
so.
tells you. I'm not doing this one.
Ooh.
I love this stuff.
Right here, this part right here.
Twins.
Well, no.
Is it old?
Have you seen a mummy before, JP? Oh, it's kind of crazy. I feel like it's like,
Oh, you recording?
yeah.
Are you going? I've seen a mummy.
Just in your face.
Are you serious?
For science. Yeah, she's taller than you.
No, she's not.
I think she's taller than you. I think she's taller.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I think she's taller than you.
Okay, you put your butt on, but why didn't you just lay on the ground?
I got scared.
She did lay on the ground a little bit.
Just your bunda.
That's it.
I got it. Victory, do you like the football?
Yeah.
Do you want this little one? You want to look at it? Look at it. Which one do you like? The football?
Victor could learn with that too.
The soccer ball?
Okay, sports, athlete.
Thank you.
Wow.
She wants the football.
Oh, okay, let's put it back. Let's go to the science. Let's go to the science. Put it back, baby.
Okay, let's put it back.
Let's go to the science museum.
She said let's put it back.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye. Easy.
Victor's turn.
Go, Victory.
Want this?
Come on.
Grandma definitely can't.
I can help you.
That's crazy.
Can you do it?
Grandma definitely can't. It's crazy. Why not?
Why not? Mom, look at the little wobbly there. Good job, babe.
Okay, now do it without me. Go.
Okay, Daddy's turn.
Go, go, go. Ready? Go, Victory.
Woo, she's gonna be a gymnast. Oh, oh.
Yeah.
She's already fallen in the river. Good job, Vic.
It's my turn.
Here, I'm gonna go get you.
Victor's turn. All right, are you gonna do it, babe?
She said it's Daddy's turn.
Daddy's
Daddy's turn.
Honestly,
Wow.
probably because he has bigger feet.
Wow.
She's in the river.
Come on, Victor, your turn again.
Send me the footage of Jane.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 1.
No, too slow.
Here, Victor, come on, look at this. How about this?
Wow. Ooh, muscles.
Is that actually how our muscles look?
Oh, it says, oh, male. There it is.
They said it's my wingspan.
Oh, no. There's a different one.
Oh, JP, do the big guy. Big guy. Oh, do shadow boxing.
Victory. Babe, she just brings
Oh, sorry.
We're all occupied. Oh, she's just on the other side. She's just on the other side.
My mom was where?
We all got
Aging
distracted.
bone. Mom, this is yours. One, two. Guts.
That's crazy. Children. The children.
I can touch it.
Good job, Victor. Are you okay?
She wants to do it again.
Big guy. Big guy.
See yourself age. Oh my God, see Victory age.
No.
I'll cry.
I'm not ready. She's only 3.
Madam, see yourself age.
I'm just gonna see mom.
Oh my God, you see it already?
No, like if I look at myself, I'll see mom.
Okay, let's do that.
Wait, come on, Victory, let's check something out. Oh wait, aging beautiful.
Okay, age now.
your best.
Oh, sorry.
I just wanted to make it the
Get
shady.
you
No, sorry, Tita. Sorry.
How old did you do?
We're gonna see. No, you put your own age. Okay.
At 20.
This.
Oh,
At 20.
I look like Gina.
Oh, you do look like
Mommy, I
mom.
look like you.
I bet you.
Me,
Camille, Camille.
Camila look like her mom.
Do victory.
Do victory, do victory.
Okay.
Okay, get your
Take
face
a
out.
photo.
Did it take it?
I did not. My bad.
Sit down.
Should we do a different
Yeah,
one?
retake. Hold on.
That was so cute.
Oh. retake.
We're gonna age Joyce instead.
No. Okay.
Look right
Okay.
here, Victory. Look at it.
Okay, Joanna, get out a picture.
2.
Okay.
Let's see victory. Alright.
Oh.
What?
Read.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look here. 1, 2.
Yay! Can't fail.
Okay,
Yeah.
good enough.
Okay, let's see.
Age
Let's see
now.
victory in 10
Victory, wait,
years.
wait,
Wait, baby. What are your daddy?
All right.
Add
10 years. Oh, you did start again.
I'm sorry.
You know how hard it was to get that?
I was like, 1.
She's over it now.
Wait, look. Okay.
Okay,
One.
smile.
Look, Victory, smile.
chocolate.
1. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
We literally just had a turn.
Oh.
Okay, let's just do my mom. Okay.
You can't really. Okay. Yeah, Tara, good job, Joanna.
Okay, mom's turn.
No.
Wait, we already know how she looks.
Alam mo na tsura ko pa.
No,
That's crazy.
What?
Yeah,
Oh,
it
I don't look like mommy. Look.
is. Takot.
Your heartbeat is fast.
Nakakatakot. Oh, si Joyce ganda.
Wait, my hair, my hair.
Oh my goodness.
I bet I look like you 100%. I did it on TikTok before. Watch.
I don't say nothing.
I already know.
JP.
Yeah, let's see,
Try
dude.
victory again.
I thought victory.
Watch this. Gina. Gina.
Grabe ka.
I told you.
Twins. The ledge.
You don't like it?
Yeah. Oh, Joyce fell off the
My
mountain.
camera.
It's supposed to show you how your pupil dilates.
Joyce, I don't think you're gonna make it. Oh, Joyce, what the hecky?
It says on my nail.
Whatever. It was the camera, and then it was her nails.
Mahirap eh, naka-step in ako.
Yes.
I wanna try it.
Is it hard?
It's because it's like my nail.
Oh, your nails.
You see?
Yeah.
Me, it's
I'm not trying to break my nail.
Yeah. Good job. Joyce couldn't make it. John, let me see your nails. It's an excuse.
No, look.
It's an excuse.
No, look at this. Look at this and look at mine. Show your nails. Did you get it?
No, but you gotta move across. No, yeah. You gotta move a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit.
Wait. If you're gonna do it, let me take a picture.
Okay. Go,
Wait, do it again.
go to the next one.
Next, go.
Okay. You gotta be
do
like
it
that.
again.
You gotta be Bukaka. You have to be Bukaka, yeah.
hurry.
Okay, I'm gonna try now.
You were really close. You're really close. Ube mamon for merienda. Snacky snack. Yummy.
She gave us this big ass
That is cute.
Yummy.
And then victory.
I know, I
Look
told
at
you.
Victory.
Aww.
Mami, lihat dito.
Mami, lika dito. Mami, lika dito.
Beda. Big video.
Mami, lika dito.
Yeah, they're really digging something up that they found.
Why's there an eyeball on it?
For funsies, I think. Oh, look. It's that. It's Triceratops.
Like our Triceratops, except our Triceratops.
Wow. I wish I could touch it.
Whoa, Joyce. Whoa. Philippine butterfly. Okay. That's it for Museum Day Fly Vlog.